guys! I'm excited to come back to you with another sweet haul, and I have a super kawaii sweater, a bunch of Sanrio stuff, and we have a sponsor for this video. Kawaii Box sent me their latest box that we are going to open together. I'm super looking forward to that. But first, let me show you all the other cool things I have on this table. So first of all, my friend went to New York and got me this gorgeous snow globe. It's actually not snow, it's glitter, like iridescent glitter, and it's pink and it's gorgeous. It could be absolutely perfect in my Christmas display here. Another one of my friends was in Japan and she showed me she has this insulated thing that is so kawaii. So this friend of mine is actually more classic lolita, not really gothic, but she had this black one and there was no pink one, or there was a light pink and gray one but not pretty. But she got me this black one that is actually a small thing just to carry your bottle, and it's insulated. Actually, I'm shocked because I took this bottle out of the fridge like 2 hours ago when I made this display, so it really works. It's really cool. And apparently it was super cheap. The bow is not staying, but then the rest is all Sanrio stuff. By the way, most of the time I have Sanrio stuff, I unbox it in my other channel that I would put here inside of news videos about the game Hello Kitty Island Adventure. So today I decided to change things up and show you all the cool Sanrio stuff that I got. So I don't know if you know Miniso, but I'm obsessed. This is a shop with a lot of kawaii things and we have none in Switzerland. So everywhere I go, I basically go there. Honestly, we were 5 days in Budapest and I put in our list all the Minisos, and my boyfriend managed to put 4 of them each day in all our itinerary. I did not got this in Budapest, I got this in London. And what I like is that they actually have a lot of different items in all the different countries. I was in London and I bought these hair clips. And those are the two the same with Hello Kitty, and it's blue and pink with a glitter base. And this one, there was a mint and pink from Hello Kitty. I was like, well, obviously I have to get it, obviously. So yeah, I'm obsessed. I'm also sometimes putting them on bows or everywhere on my clothing, not necessarily just on my hair. I'm loving them so much. My friend Jessica got me all these cute papers from Sanrio for my birthday. I think I will actually use all these papers to write letters to all the very high level patrons and the channel members that I write to every Christmas. Thank you so much, Jess. And I got this fan art from Genshin at a convention. I think it's my small cousin who said she had a double and gave that to me. And then something super cool, my mother thrifted this bed linen from Hello Kitty. This is crazy. I'm so excited. My boyfriend and I, we have 2 different duvets, like each our own, and his is single, like a single one, and mine is a double. So I'm not sure. It looks like a single, probably. We'll see. If it's a double one, it will be on mine. If it's a single one, it will actually go on the one we have for visitors. So that's so cute. It has Mimi and Hello Kitty. It even has the one that goes on your bed. Oh, I love that so much. Oh my god, it's so cute. Yeah, I guess that Eden and Emily will fight to see who will get this one when they come. It's actually an official Sanrio licensed product. It's so exciting. It is so exciting. I'm going to wash all this, but I'm so excited about that. So this is really a super cool present, and my mother was like, do you need a Hello Kitty bed sheet? I was like, I don't, but I will use it definitely. So let's keep the sweater for last. But now let's open the kawaii box. On the commercial declaration, it only says stationery. 1, 2, 3. Okay. So I like how these boxes are also ready from the inside. Ooh, okay. I already know who's getting what. Or I might just keep it. I probably will keep it. This is super cute cinnamon roll plushie for Christmas. Eden loves cinnamon roll. And also Chelsea, the chief product officer of Hello Kitty Island Adventure, does. So sometimes I'm getting stuff for her. I actually have this part that you don't really see here. It's all red and Christmassy and some green. So I'm sure that the cinnamon roll could go there definitely perfectly without giving it to... Now I feel that I'm obligated to give everything cinnamon roll to Eden, but also I want to keep it. That's so interesting. It's actually some kind of pocket. You can put tiny thing inside of it. I'm not sure why you would use this. Snowman cinnamon roll. Check. Yumekawa unicorn masking tape. It's gorgeous. Super cute unicorn washi tape. Adorable. My Melody glass. I love it so much. I'm gonna have more pink and Sanrio things in my kitchen. This is a goal of mine, to change things in my kitchen and make them more pink. There's so many things. So many things. Kirby! Oh, it's a lock. Pink, puffy, and powerful. It's like a box. Like you can put secrets in it. So there's a keychain here. And yeah, actually you can put coins in it. Should I put this on my table? It says please give me tips or something like that? Why not? I mean my vendor table with fluffy toy. Ooh, and this looks like a face towel. Is it a face towel? No, I think it's a... Oh, it says hand towel. The way it is in the back, it looks more like a rug for cleaning or something. And it's another Kirby item. There are a lot more things. Ooh, I love that. This is a pencil case. So the back is all iridescent glitter and purple transparent, and the front says Sanrio character, enjoy fun days together, and there are cookie and snacks. I'm going to use this definitely. I think it's the perfect size for makeup actually. Yeah, I think this is a perfect thing to carry my makeup when I don't have... I have a huge pouch, but sometimes I want a smaller thing for traveling. I have Buffy stickers. I don't remember this. I think it's definitely a Magical Girl anime or game. I don't remember. Very cool Puffy stickers. Maybe I can give that to my friend who makes resin craft and she could do something with these inside, maybe. We'll see. Okay, I think that's the last thing. It's a My Melody letter set with some stickers, envelopes. So it has 10 letters, 5 envelopes, and 1 sticker. And it's lavender and pink. It's gorgeous. Maybe I will also use that to write letters to my members. And what else do we have at the bottom? Back to school. Perfect buddy for school, sport, and travel. Get from Blipo and from Amazon. And this is the backpack that I own and that I love, that Blipo sent to me. So you know, in Europe we have very cheap airline to go in between countries. So that's the thing that we do a lot, is like doing an extended weekends, like 4 or 5 days somewhere, like in another city. And I'm able, even as a Lolita, to travel my whole thing with all my clothes and even the stuff that I buy in this Blipo bag. It's that big. So it's really amazing. I highly recommend this. Actually, it says back to school, but as an adult, I'm so happy that I have a huge bag that is Kawaii. And usually you have bags for kids, and this one is like a huge big backpack for adults and also Kawaii. And that's perfect. And so let's see the leaflet. We have the Kawaii treasure trove from November 2024. November 1st is Hello Kitty's birthday. She is 50 years old this year. Yay, Hello Kitty. So we have a parrot pal plushie, mystery plushie, I guess that's the cinnamon roll plushie, mystery treasure tape, I guess that's the unicorn washi tape, loot saver coin bank, that's the Kirby coin bank, parrot bling stickers, those stickers, home essential, should it be for sipping your favorite drink or organizing your desk, so you can also use it to put your pens maybe, treasure pouch, I guess that's this one. And then Kawaii stationery, Sailor's towel, soft and absorbent, mystery gift. Yay! And you can even get your next box for free if you scan this and get your friends to buy it. Then you will get $5 off for every friend who subscribe, and your box could be free. And if you tag your photos with Kawaii box every month, one lucky fan wins a Kawaii mega box valued over 100 USD. I definitely need to make a photo with all that cool stuff. The last thing to unbox is this. I've been looking at this sweater for so long and I finally decided to buy it. I'm a bit worried now that it's not as pink but more like the illegal pink. Will I love it as much as I anticipated? It looks gorgeous and I've seen it so much, and also it's so soft here, but it's probably material that will get dirty at some point. We'll see, but it's actually gorgeous and it looks so stretchy and so comfy. It looks perfect, and you can even add a bunch of these bows. I feel that you can compare here. It's really not the same tone of pink, and those are even worse. So those are really dark dusty pink. So I'm wondering if I actually want to put these. We'll see. I'll try it on and I'll let you know. By here, this color does not look too bad, and inside it is so soft. The size is big, so this is size large, and it's really nice. Usually tend to be happy when I buy something too big than too small, so for a sweater it's all cuddly and perfect. I love it. The buttons are a little bit of this pink that is cuter than the other one, but other than that, I'm really happy about this sweater. It's adorable. It's a Taobao brand that I cannot read here. It says Mist. I've seen this on 42 Lolita, on AliExpress, on a lot of different places, and I'm going to put links in the description where you can get this sweater if you want. It might be affiliate links where I will get a small commission if you decide to place an order, but that would support my channel. Thank you. I really want to thank Kawaii Box again for sponsoring this video. And back in the days, I opened another Kawaii Box, and if you want to look at this video, it's a few years old, I would say, but everything that was in it was still super cool, so check it out over here. Thank you so much for watching, and remember, everybody can be kawaii. Bye bye!